video, I'm going to show you how to cover up certain portions of your video that you don't want to show up by using the blur effect. Come on, let's get started.
Open CapCut. Click on New Project. Then select the video that you want to use. Here I'm selecting this video and add. Then same video I select again, click on Overlay, add Overlay. Then click on same video and add it. Now once you've added it, it's going to show up like this. So you need to stretch it out to cover the entire canvas, same as the other video underneath it. Now go to Effect, click on Effect, click on Video Effect. Now go to Lens, click on Lens and click on Blur. Now you can see the layer on top of it is blurred out. So what we'll do is to go to Mask, the mask layer and click on Mask and click on the circle mask. You can use the rectangular mask as well. Prefer to use the circle mask. So after that, you drag on the mask over the layer that you want to cover up.
Okay, just fit it in and adjust with the adjusters on the sides of the mask. One of it is to feather it out, the one going down. Then on the top side and the right side is to stretch out the size of the mask. If you see, when we move the car, the mask seems to go out of place once is moving. So we'll do a little adjustment to correct that. So it keeps covering the portion that we want it to cover whenever it's moving. So we are going to do that by adding keyframes to the mask. So you just click on your keyframe icon. So move it forward and click on keyframes. Just add the keyframes as you are moving. You're adjusting the mask so it keeps covering up the plate number or whatever you want it to cover. So I'll gradually move and add keyframes, then adjust the positioning. Okay, you can do that quickly. I'm going to fast forward this. So, all right. So once you are done with it, you export and you are all done. That's all you need to do to blur out any portion of your video. This was helpful. Please subscribe so I can continue making videos like this. Thank you. See you in the next one.